Hello everyone, welcome you all. Let us see one more problem related to the relative speed concept. A rat saw a snake at 8:30 a.m. and start running at the speed of 20 km per hour, which means that a rat's speed is nothing but 20 km per hour. At 10:30 a.m., a snake noticed this and started chasing the rat at the speed of 45 km per hour, which means this is nothing but the snake's running speed. So then at what time will the snake catch the rat? So this is the concept here. So first of all, understand one thing. So chasing means both are moving in the same direction. So with this concept we will solve. So before solving this concept, one important note you need to make note of it while doing this kind of problem. Actually, in a relative speed concept, the starting time, okay, I'm just st means a starting time, the starting time of the object, whatever be the object, okay, so that a moving object, okay, should be the same. So this is very important logic. Suppose if not same, then you have to consider, okay, the common time. So you have to consider the common time, okay, then you have to make that as a relative speed, and then you have to go with the relative distance and then proceed the problem. So this is the logic begin. So let me explain so briefly. Okay, suppose I'm just considering this car A. So car A start at 8 a.m. so with the speed of 25 km per hour. So another car, so I'm considering that as a B. So that car starting at 10 a.m. so with some speed. So now listen carefully. The car A start before the car B. So which means that 2 hours gap. So automatically in 2 hours the car A already reached 50 kilometers. So why? Since in a 1 hour it passes 25 kilometers. Therefore here 2 hours 50 kilometers. So now here is 2 hours means so therefore at 10 a.m. So therefore at 10 a.m. it reaches 50 kilometer. So therefore that 50 kilometer you need to take it as a relative distance. So please make note of this concept. This is very important. Now the relative distance is nothing but a 50 kilometer, since we are noticing from 10 a.m. and then here 10 a.m. So then obviously we need to calculate the relative speed with respect to these things. So hope you all understood the concept first. Then automatically we will move on to the next problem here. So now here the rat, okay, saw a snake at 8:30 a.m. start running at the speed of 20 km per hour. Then at 10:30 a.m. okay, so snake notice that and chasing down. So chasing means both are moving in the same direction. So that is the important thing you need to make note of it. So now what is the relative distance? So here in this problem 20 km per hour. So therefore 8:30 to 10:30 a.m. So in that 2 hours, so in 2 hours a rat, okay, so the rat covered 2 hours per hour 20 kilometer. So therefore 40 kilometer it has covered. So this is nothing but the relative distance. So after knowing the relative distance, now you move on with the problem. So you know the relative speed. Chasing means both are in the same direction. Therefore, relative speed is nothing but a u minus v. So here 45 minus 20. So which is nothing but a 25 kilometer per hour. So now what is the time? Time is equal to distance by speed. So that is nothing but the relative speed here. Time is equal to distance. So you know the relative distance is nothing but a 40. Then the relative speed is nothing but a 25. So if you then cancel, then you will get the answer as 1.6 hours. So now 1 hour, this 0.6 has to converted. Okay, this also converted in terms of an hour. Then automatically the 6 is nothing but a 6 by 10. Automatically to convert in terms of an hour you have to divide with 60. Then reciprocal gets, okay, the denominator to the denominator gets reciprocal, then cancel this. So therefore 1 hour, 1 hour, then here 6 into 6, okay, 36 minute. So now after finding out this, okay, they are, so what is the time now? 10:30. After 10:30, okay, 1 hour 36 minute after 10:30, the snake catches that rat. So which means that 10:30 a.m. then 1 hour 36 minute. So here 1:30, right? So therefore here 10:30 plus 1:30 is nothing but a 12, then 6 minute. So which means that at 12:06 p.m. So why I'm just noticing this as a p.m. Yes, sir. So here after crashing then 12, then it is going to be the p.m. At 12 p.m. the snake catches the rat. So this is the important concept. Please make note of it. Thank you all. Have a good day.